Mentally ill man attack cop with machete before being killed. Hi again and welcome. This is Linstead 7 TV news report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Linstead 7 TV news report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Linstead 7 TV news report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Linstead 7 TV news report. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, the High Command of the police force, has expressed condolences to the family and friends and colleagues of a constable who died after being attacked by a man of unsound mind along King Street in Linstead, St. Catherine on Friday, September 24th. The deceased has been identified as 34-year-old Paul Garden, who was assigned to the Technical Services Division and was based in Linstead. The incident reportedly happened as the lawman walked along King Street, one of the main thoroughfares in the rural town. There are unconfirmed reports that the police personnel shot and killed the perpetrator not long after the attack on the lawman. The Corporate Communications Unit, the CCU, the police information arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, confirmed the attack on the policeman. Indications are that the officer was walking along the roadway towards an ATM when he was attacked and hit with a stone on the forehead at approximately 6:45 a.m. The lawman fell to the ground bleeding and in a state of unconsciousness and was quickly assisted by police personnel who arrived on the scene but succumbed to his injuries while being treated at the Linstead Hospital. We'll have more details to come in a developing news story. This has been Linstead 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.